Today we are doing a Vitacost haul, and what I love about Vitacost is you do not have to have a membership, and if you spend $49 or more, you don't have to pay for shipping. This is a small order, but they have some things that are harder to find at the grocery store for me, and I would rather not go to 3 different grocery stores trying to find things, and you can just get them all at this one spot. The other thing is it's kind of like a present because I forget what I ordered. It's like a surprise. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know how much I love the Siete chips. Now, typically I try not to eat out of bags, but if somebody else is having potato chips, then I want them because I love them, and here I go, and I'm perfectly happy and not wishing I had something else. Just a good alternative. A lot of times they'll put them on sale, like 10 or 15% off, and then that's a good time to stock up. I love all of the flavors, and this time I got Chipotle, barbecue, delicious. You're having a sandwich, whatever. It's just, you know, I'm a crunchy girl. I love crunch. Chia seed is a great addition to your diet because they are high in omega-3s and fiber, doing amazing things for your body. And it's so easy to just throw them in your smoothie. People put them on their salad, and you can also chia pudding. I love chia pudding. I have heard of ghee, but this is something new in my diet, and it is high in lauric acid, doing amazing things for your body, and you can cook with it. Or what I like to do is I like to pop my popcorn in it and then just sprinkle a little bit of sea salt, nutritional yeast, and it is delicious. I love this company. It's not the easiest one to find, and usually if I do find it, it's a small bag, but I eat a lot of oats, and so I prefer to get the family size bag, but they are sprouted and they are glyphosate free. So one of the things you can do is get your big bag from Vitacost, and I really appreciate it. Probably should have gotten 2. Sorry for the TMI, but, and it should be soon that I don't have to use these, but these are 100% cotton, and if you are using these, women, you need it to be 100% cotton. It is so important, and that's a story for another day, but just trust me, and I need to get an article up on how important this is. Very important. Okay, that's all we're going to talk about that. Dried cranberries, and I like that this is just sweetened with apple juice. There's no sugar, because most of the time when you find them, they're sweetened with sugar. And this way, it's just cranberries, apple juice. It does have a little bit of sunflower oil, but it is organic, and it's the last ingredient, so I'm okay with that. I'm going to be making hot cocoa bombs, and that is why I actually placed this order. So I'll be using these, but look, the 70% cacao, and what I love about Huge Gems, and again, this is one of those companies that you can't find them everywhere, but they have such simple ingredients: organic cacao, unrefined coconut sugar, cocoa butter. That's it. So I just love what they're doing with their products, just keeping it really simple. I haven't tried these, but I have been told that they are dynamite, and so I just decided to order them, and you know what? I think I'm going to crack them open and try them right now. I love a little crunch, and instead of nasty croutons that have a bunch of MSG and all that other junk, I'll just put crackers. I'll break them up and put them on my salad, and I am so happy. Let's try. Let's try. They're pretty good, pretty good. Hey, you want to try one? I'm sorry, but she's not available from Vitacost. You can't get that lucky. You want to try one? Is it delicious? Tracy has to come over here and try one. Put that camera down. Now, be honest. We want to be honest.
Oh, I'm honest.
So.
I think they know that by now. No, these are good. I'd eat these.
I love these ingredients. When we go to the grocery store and we find marshmallows, they have high fructose corn syrup, another form of corn syrup, and these are a better option. And just for fun, these are going to go into the hot chocolate bombs. So it is fall here, and it's starting to get chilly, makes you think of hot chocolate. And so we're going to put some delicious things in there, including some cacao, which is high in antioxidants. better option than what you find in the grocery store, and you know, just a few, it'll be just fine. This is what I use most of the time. Love it on my salad, love it with some cheese on there or whatever. My favorite way to eat them is with chicken salad. So those are amazing. Cacao nibs. High in antioxidants. Really, when we eat chocolate, this is how we should eat it. And this is where it comes from, but you know, they do so many things to chocolate that it becomes not friendly to the body at all. So I order cacao nibs, I throw them in my smoothie, I put them on top of my yogurt, put them on top of my fruit, or just pop them in my mouth, and I love the little crunch, it's really fun. And I trust the Now brand. So many people will say that popcorn is bad for you, and I disagree. I do think it's something that we need to consume less, but when you get it and it's organic and it's non-GMO, it actually is high in fiber and it is a delicious snack. So I just make sure that the popcorn I get is organic, coming from a responsible source, has 5 grams of fiber for probably what would be a cup once it's popped. So another way to get some fiber in your body. And the other thing that we're not going to talk about. So, like I said, it's just a little haul, but I just wanted you to see some of the things that I get that you can't find at just any grocery store, and I wanted to share that with you. All good things, delicious. Next order I get will be a little bit bigger, and I'll share that with you as well. So, I want to thank you so much for watching, and hey, will you share with us if you order from Vitacost? Let us know what you're getting from there. You know, it's easier when you're going to the grocery store. You can see everything with your eyes, and here you got to thumb through, and sometimes I get lost in it all. So great place to go for your supplements, and most of the time they are cheaper than anywhere else that you find them. And they have, occasionally they have some really good deals, and if you sign up for emails, they also will send you some coupons. So great place to shop. You guys have a great day. The cost is you don't have to pay for a membership. I'm gonna start over.
One of these
If I can get it open, that's the trick. I've heard of ghee, I've heard of all the amazing benefits. We're having a meltdown.
Let's try.